Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Doug's World Tour, and this video hopefully will clear up 99% of your questions, and it will save a lot of time on the phone, although we are always welcome to talk to you. As you see, this is, I guess we'll say, our signature ATM machine. This is a Hyosung 2. It has the capabilities of letting your customer purchase Bitcoin. Very important. That is just extra free money for you. So guys, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try and cover everything. I'm going to give you a few visual aids, and I hope to not make this video too clunky. But I want to show you brochures that we're going to supply you to make your venture easier. Let's see here. All right. I have a cheat sheet, so if I have to refer back to it, you've shown an interest in ATMs. I recommend, unless you've got a bunch of established locations and a big bankroll, but if you want to start with one, like I did, that's all it took. One got me hooked. I saw the earnings. I saw how easy it was. Low cost of equipment. You buy one brand new snack machine, or you can buy 3 ATMs. 3 ATMs on average amount of swipes or transactions per month would make $1,200. That's profit. How much would one $7,000 snack machine make? I don't think it's going to make $1,200. That would be a little less than $300 a week. Might be more like 60 or 70 a week. But anyways, vending has been my mainstay for decades. And the only thing I did wrong as far as ATMs is I started late. I have a friend that we discussed this with. Been a good customer for years. He was in the gaming business, gambling and bars, pool tables, jukeboxes. Anyways, he started quite a while ago, over a decade ago, and at last count, he has 240 pieces of equipment out there, all ATMs in his current spots, and his monthly income on just the swipes of $3 to $5 is $100,000. So obviously he's done quite well. It's an extreme case, but anyways, guys, chances are you might be a mom-and-pop operator. I encourage you to start with one piece, less than $2,500. What we'd like to do first before you order, if you've made the decision to order, is we will get you an account set up with the processor. They need about 6 pages of signed stuff. It's your banking information. They need to know where to send the money. Some of you have questions. You put an ATM machine out, you put, let's just say, $2,500 in it. That's what I consider a starting bank. It'll hold more than that in the single cassette. It'll hold about $10,000 in 20s. But I put mine out because they're not that far away, 10, 15 miles. So I start them with $2,500, and if they go through more on a weekend, then I increase the bank. But you get your money back every day. You log into your bank after midnight. Let's just say your one ATM had $150 worth of, well, 150 is not right, 160 because they're all 20s. In deductions the day before, that money is back in your account the following day after midnight. Your swipe money, which is basically your profit, comes about the 10th to the 15th, and you get that all at once. Now, average swipes across the board in America is 130. Obviously, some spots do less, some spots do much more. Let's say your spot does less and it's only got 80 swipes, and you're getting your end $3 a swipe. You know, do the math. $240 is 10% of the value of the piece of equipment, which you're still going to pay for it in less than a year. So not bad. Now if you get up into the average swipe, 130, you're going to get $390 per month. Now your return on investment, also called ROI, about 8 months. So kind of tough to beat those numbers. And like I said, start with one, guys. Once you get to one, you'll really be hooked. I've started so many people with one, and within 2 weeks they've ordered 2 or 3 more machines. What I do is I order 3 at a time. I wait till I get the last one in the shop, which is the one you just saw, and that's going out in the morning, and then I order, and I've already ordered them, 3 additionals, and I start to look for spots. So, and they ship fast, guys. There's not a big delay. These are not shipped from China. They come out of Dallas, Texas. So when I order, generally in about 4 or 5 days, the truck is at our door. So let me make sure I didn't miss anything important here. We talked about getting your account set up. Once you get your account set up, you have a login. It's super neat. You go in there, you have all your terminals listed. It says if there's a problem, you get a notification. Let's just say the internet in the bar or the restaurant or the C-store or the market. The internet goes down. It will tell you that it is offline. Now, there is a modem option, which I have not had to use yet, just in case the business does not have internet access, which is not common. I haven't run across it yet, but I do have a modem in stock. There is a $30 fee per month to run your ATM on a modem. It's kind of like, renting a cell phone. So anyways, guys, always ask if they have internet access. It's saves you $30, and anyways, but once again, your login is it's an awesome piece of software. It tells you everything that's going on. You know exactly how many swipes, and it's live. In other words, if you get a swipe, it'll show up right away. It says how much money, how many notes are left in the cassette. I think 99% of us use $20 bills, maybe in casinos. Those spots generally are run by the big national corporations. They might run $100 bills. But anyways, it'll tell you exactly what you have left, so you know when to go service it. It also gives you an alert. You set the alert levels at where you want them. Mine, I get my first alert when it hits $1,000. Second alert, $500. Third alert when it's out. We don't want to get that low. We start thinking about a day or two once we hit that $1,000 level, and we'll go out and put a couple thousand back in. So anyways, guys, once you have opened your account, been approved, got your login, now your piece of equipment has been ordered. It's coming. Like I said, it's less than $2,500. I think it's $2,360 or something like that. That comes with the LED lit sign. That's it only adds $90 to it. You don't have to have that, but I strongly recommend it. It really makes the machine show up. Sometimes ATMs, I walked into a C-store yesterday, this is a prime example, and I look for equipment when I go in places, and I finally asked the guy I went up and bought a can of Arizona tea, and I asked the guy, I said, you must have an ATM in here. Did I miss it? And he pointed behind me, and it was kind of nestled between 2 coolers, and they're gray and they kind of blend in, so I completely missed it. But there was no topper, there was no sign, so I could see other people missing it if they didn't ask. So anyways, now what you do is, I strongly recommend for your first piece, you don't necessarily ship it to location. If you're an operator. Now, if it's your own business, let's say you own a laundromat, yeah, ship it to your own place. But the reason being is it takes about 60 to 90 minutes. It's a free service with their technical support. They have 4 guys on the line, and boy, very good. Very, very good. These guys really know their job. Anyways, you have to go through and program it. It's all simple, entering digits and passwords and putting the welcome message up, welcome to Bill's, diner or whatever. They give you a password. They call them keys. It's nothing you have to know. They tell you everything to do. They tell you what buttons to push. They tell you what numbers, what letters to put in. And first time I was on the phone with them about 90 minutes, and I had questions. But that way, it's ready to go. You wheel it in the location, you hook the internet line up, you plug it in, you turn it on from the inside, it comes up, you can print a report with your password from the front, and it'll say online, and you know it's ready. So that way you're not in a bar or a lobby of a restaurant and you're fooling around for, an hour or two with somebody on the phone, because you're just in the way, guys. You're supposed to get in and out of there 5 minutes, service the piece of equipment, and go. You don't want to be a spectacle. Don't go in there with cameras for YouTube, stuff like that. That stuff just doesn't have a place, especially with ATMs. Be professional. I strongly recommend a shirt with the name of your business and your name. If you're in a carry state, yeah, I think having a gun on your hip, like in my state, would deter anybody from doing anything stupid. So be smart. Let's see what else we have for you. We know about attaching them to the floor. Oh, the processor, part of the service involved, they will send your customer their commission checks. You don't even have to do it. So let's say you're going to give 50 cents a swipe, which is my starting level. 50 cents, 75 cents, and $1. And I go up to 100, I go up to 200, anything over that, they get $1. So let's say they get $100 coming that month to, ABC C-store. They will send them a check. So you don't have to fool with that either. You can do it either way. I prefer that they send the checks because it's less work that I have to do. So anyways, guys, I hope this has answered a lot of your beginning questions. We are happy to talk to you on the phone. People have questions, put them in the comments below. Let's see if I missed anything. If you want me to contact you, I am going to put my email address down there. And of course, most of you people know my web address, which I will put down below also in the comments. And if we can get you started on your ATM venture, let's do it. There's no delay. Guys, it's all on you now, so I appreciate you viewing, and we will hopefully hear from you. Doug at Doug's World Tour in our new venture with ATMs, and I'm out.